Okay everyone, so I'm just doing my second pair of my shoe, and as you can see the colors are looking very pretty on this and very nice and bright, but I had one problem, and on this shoe that I have done earlier, as you can see the paint has started to fade away and they are all drying out and all my petals are going, so this is what has happened to my shoe so far. So just to remind you again, these are the neon paints I was using, and I don't recommend doing it on the shoe because it's just it's just fading away. So I don't know if I should do a double coat on this or not. Okay guys, now it's me. I'm back. Your famous, amazing boy here. And yeah, so I'm over here also with the video with my sister. So now I have done this beautiful butterfly outline over here. So now I'll be using this pen. As you can see, I'm using fabric paint marker. Sorry about that. This is by Marabu. And I'm very happy they included this. So good work, Marabu, on adding this. So let's go try it out. As you can see, it looks perfectly on fabric. And today I have done two butterflies, which I have done. One is like flying, one is sitting on a flower, but I didn't draw the flower because it might spoil the detail on the butterfly, so I only done the butterfly. And guys, as you can see, I have added the details in here, just like a real butterfly. So, my review about this pen is that I think it's kind of hard when you like put it on fabric. The only thing which makes me very upset about this is because there's no much ink in here. Like, as you can see, as I'm doing it, it starts to fade just a little bit, like a normal pen does when it runs out of ink. Now, I think it's because of the fabric, or it's just because the ink in this pen is running out. Oh, and guys, I'll also be using this on a t-shirt just to see what will happen. Okay guys, now I have traced it. Now I'm going to be painting it with Marabu neon color paints. Okay everyone, I've just finished pouring, and this is what the texture is like when you put the neon paints in there. So I'm gonna try this on my bird to see what bird I can make it into. Okay, so I have my paintbrush.
Let's paint right here. Oh, it's made the orange a bit lighter because when it came out from the pot, it was much darker than this. So it's very smooth and it's definitely made the orange lighter than before.
I've just finished that thing, the magnet. So I'm gonna put some black in there to make it nice and good. Here's the artist tip made from me. So if you have enough paint to cover up, you can use your side and start dabbing it very slowly across your whole painting. You should end up with that. Comment down below if you like my tip.
So everyone, as you can see, I've just added some yellow at the top of the bird's head and it turned very nice. For some reason it's blending perfectly nice and it makes a beautiful texture. So I definitely recommend blending colors. Okay everyone, I'm adding yellow to the bird's head.
Okay guys, now I'm on my second butterfly.
So everyone, I needed a blue and obviously you saw the colors in this kit 10 times so you know that there is no blue in this kit. So that's why I got this beautiful blue by myself. I got this from the basic kit which I told you that you should go check out. We've done a video on it on Marabu. Okay, I've forgotten that company. But anyway, they had a blue and I have mixed my own color and I turned this blue lighter. It is a very cool, amazing color because these paints are just amazing how they can change their color and change to lighter and then to dark. It's just amazing. So that's why I made this blue bit lighter. Now I'm doing it right above the bird's eye. And in case you're wondering, this is the bird I'm doing. So it has a green tummy and that's a blue that you can see. And if you want to get this bird, then all you have to do is write neon birds down. When you write that down in Google, you will find this adorable bird. So everyone, this is how much I have done so far, and I think this is nearly complete. So leave a comment down below if you like my bird, and I would really appreciate it. So I'm going to keep going, and it's nearly done. And I hope you enjoyed this tutorial because we're nearly towards the end. Okay everyone, this is my completed bird. I hope you liked it. So he's a neon bird, and I made him all green and then some yellow at the top of his head with some orange. And I think these paints were really fun to use. They blended in very nicely, and you can make a lot of nice colors and shades with them. And I definitely recommend this to everyone who's a beginner and wants to know more about painting. And if anyone is a starter on this, they would love it. And yes, so thank you so much for watching my video. Please remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell so then you won't miss our amazing upcoming videos that we will be showing you. And I will see you in my next videos. For now onwards, move on to my friend's butterfly. Bye!